You can't. And I won't let my clients do that either. I say, what are the shoes on the other foot? Would you offer this stupid offer and insult the people? No, you would not. So treat people like you want to be treated. Only important people get in my phone.
Ooh.
I think we can do a lot of business. I'm serious.
Thank you. You're awesome.
We can do a lot of business. And I have another one for you. I have several more coming up. Several.
I love it. Oh my gosh.
Hello?
Is this Rachel? This is Pace. I was told to call about the house on Lighthouse Drive in Rowlett.
Yeah, so you're the one that sent in the offer?
We sure did. My team member did.
Okay. Yeah, on the cash deal is too low.
Okay.
And they won't even consider the other deal. What she owes on the property, she would have to, are you guys realtors?
Thank goodness they would never approve me for a license. I'm just an investor. I'm not smart enough to get a license.
Okay. So there's no realtor fee. Your attorney would just draw up the other documentation. Is that how that works?
Yeah, our closing attorney would do the docs, yeah.
Say that again?
Our closing attorney would do the docs, yeah.
Okay, all right, okay. So there's no commission. She would have to come out of pocket with $10,000, literally.
What if I just took over the payments and paid your commission so you get paid?
Oh, no, she's not there doing that. No, she wants a straight sale. She'll either a traditional loan, like a cash deal. And she's turned down several offers. Most of them were, wanting to take over the payments, finance. One guy even said we can do a land deal. I checked with my attorneys. That's not even legal here. A land trust. He's from Washington. And this is the whole thing about taking over someone's notes. And people want to go around it, but I would not dare allow my client to suffer like that.
What's she going through? Why is she trying to sell?
She went through a divorce.
So that's too bad.
Yeah, but I'm going to sell her another one right in the same area. She has 2 children, and so she has another house. Not far from there at all. So she moved her boys out. Okay. 2 beautiful boys. Yeah, I was even at their wedding, in that case. Anyway, so it would either have to be a cash deal, bringing more to the table, because she's only been in there 2.5 years.
Okay, yeah, she hasn't built up enough equity quite yet, right?
Yeah, well, actually, she has equity. There is equity in the house, but not at that low price, because we're selling it for $529. She was willing to take $50,000 off the price of the house, sell it as is, and make a little bit. And
she owe like $475 or something?
No, and she doesn't mind me telling you this. I'm not down for oath in a trust. She owes $425.
Got it. Okay, yeah, she got some equity.
Yeah, she's got some equity, but they're not at the price you guys are offering. No.
Yeah. What do you have any dumpy houses that maybe an investor like me would want?
No, because I have other people that I've been dealing with for quite some time. Yeah, no, nothing dumpy. I have one that I want to just send it over to my other guy, though, because I have a good working relationship with him.
Nice.
I have one coming up in Terrell, Texas, and they want at least, I think they owe, they've been in for about 6 years, and they had an offer on it for like $325 or something, or $350. Okay. And then, so what I do when a house needs some work, it's like, it's a 1919. It's huge. It's over there with the, what do you call those homes? Downtown. It's kind of right there in the historical district there. Oh, yeah. So it's a big house. It's open and spacious. So I had my structural engineer, not a foundation company, because I don't trust none of them. Right. I've been using my guy for 23 years. He's not affiliated with any foundation company. He tells you the truth, draws everything up, never had an issue. So he went out and did a structural engineer on the house. So we have that. I like to get all the repairs documented so they can't come back and say it's going to cost $25,000 for this and just lie to the poor people. That's why you can't get a good deal going.
Why don't you teach all the other agents how to do this? You're awesome.
Well, and let me tell you this about me, sir. I like to be. My fiduciary obligation is to my client, right, but you can't mistreat the other side. You can't. And I won't let my clients do that either. I say, what are the shoes on the other foot? Would you offer this stupid offer and insult the people? No, you would not. So treat people like you want to be treated. But I don't mind working with you.
On the one that you're going to send over to your other client, if he says no, maybe I can just be a good backup.
Well, let me just say this on that one. If I can net them 50,000, I think we could have it. I think because I think they owe like one. What did they tell me they owe? I'll have to get their permission to disclose that. But
Okay.
but my other client, she doesn't mind me disclosing that to you. But if they could clear like 50,000,
Okay.
then they would. So if I could get like, let's see.
Do you want to text me the address to that one? I don't think I know that one.
Well, I'll do it as soon as I get things in motion. Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
So yeah, we'll be getting together on Friday.
Okay.
So that I can go and stage it, but I haven't put it on the market yet. So.
Okay, yeah, take your time. What I would do is the client that has got
like my son. He's like my son.
The client that's going through the divorce, that awesome lady with the 2 kids. It sounds like we're not a good fit on that one, but let me know about the other deal once you get it in motion.
Well, you would be a good fit if you came up a little bit and she'd have a little money in her pocket.
I don't know how I would make money at that price other than waiting a long time for it to depreciate, you know?
Well, actually, have you seen that area? I helped build that community. Did you see that water park? Did you see the golf course? Did you see the tennis course? Did you see the lakes throughout? I mean, I call them lakes with the duck. I mean, I built the house over there. It was the area, and it's got a huge water park. The area, it's like paradise on earth. It really is.
Yeah.
So it's an outstanding area. I would love to live back over there. It was just too far of a drive for me. I lived over there 5 years, and I built my house from the ground up.
That's awesome.
Yeah, so you might want to consider it because we would have probably taken your offer. Maybe if they could raise it by 20,000, I probably could pull it off.
On the cash offer?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm telling you, I think I could pull it off for that. Yes.
Okay, maybe I'll have you if
there's no commission, if we don't have to pay y'all any commission, I can pull it off. You raise it by 20. I'm telling you.
Okay. Let me talk to Myron. Myron's the one that sent over the offer. I'll talk to Myron. He's my partner.
Okay, my dear. And listen, I get some good stuff. I like the way you sound too. I like that you're straight up front. Because a lot of them are not. So I feel I've been doing this 23 years. I don't know everything. I'm always learning, but what I know, I know.
You know what I love about you? I wrote this down on my notepad about you. I wrote this. I said this lady's loyal. She's all about trust, and she protects her clients.
Yes, but I'm also fair to the other side.
Right.
Yeah, I'm also fair to the other side. You have to be fair to everybody. Mm-hmm.
I love it.
And what's your name again?
My name is Pace, Pace.
Okay,
Pace.
Okay, so Pace, send me a text message with your name, okay, please, with your name, so that I can put you in my phone, because only important people get in my phone.
Ooh.
So I think we can do a lot of business. I'm serious.
Thank you. You're awesome.
We can do a lot of business, and I have another one for you. I have several more coming up. Several.
I love it. Oh my gosh. Let's make some money together. Let's help some clients.
Let's do it. I'm ready.
All right,
do it.
Let's go.
Okay, thank you, my dear.
Thank you.
Don't forget to
Appreciate
send
you.
me the text.
Thank you.
Thank you. Appreciate you. Send me the text. Okay,
Bye-bye.
darling. Okay, bye.
You guys are so
Okay, so this is a master class on at the beginning. Was she not a prickly pear? Okay, so this is a master class. When you ever get beat up by a client in the beginning, you should remember this call. And the words I kept saying were reaffirming her personality and what she likes to hear about herself. So I wrote down the words that she likes to hear, and I kept repeating them over and over. And by the end, oh my gosh, I love you.
You had her squeaking page.
Yes, I did.
You guys noticed that too, right? Yes. I was like, where did that noise come from? I thought Chippy was in here somewhere.
Okay, so people will tell you how they want to be treated, right? And also, she made some little pot shots at us. Okay, so a couple pot shots she took at us was like, I would never offer somebody that low. I want to blah 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 blah. And then I just complimented her client. I complimented the other property. I said, oh well, go with the other guy. And she's not used to that. She's used to investors going, well, sell the property to me and I'll pay more. Well, what if I pay more money than the other guy? I said, perfect, sell it to the other guy, let me be your backup. Oh, damn, that's not how people normally treat me. That's amazing. And then when I said, well, can I tell you a couple of things I wrote down, which I did not write it down. I did write down trust, fiduciary, which are the things that she really prides herself on, is like trust. So, but you just let her talk and be sweet to her and be nice, and people warm up. People want to be nice. Some people, it's a lot harder. We've been on calls where you're just like, man, you are just not, you don't want to be happy. But it's 99% of people do. And if nothing else, you just have a game of that, of like, how do I unravel somebody's personality and really just make a friend? I'm happy even if we don't do a deal with her, but we will. So what's the follow-up here? Follow-up is, this isn't your lead, but I'm going to look at you because you seem to be more leadership style. So I'm going to look at you so you can convey it to the rest of the team. Whoever's lead this is, the way I would follow up with her is I'd say, hey, here, this is our contact information. She would want my name and number. This is the problem with me being on the team, is that I'm good at these calls so that they get attached to me, right? But what I would do is follow up and go, hey, we really want to look at all the other opportunities. Also, the cash offer on the first one, Myron?
No, it's a sub-2 deal.
I know, but you lowballed her a cash offer. She said, come up 20 grand.
I didn't lowball. It was not, it was like an 85% off.
Okay, got it. Okay, got it.
So no, we're not going to come up 20 grand. Sorry.
Okay, so she also is like, hey, I have a bunch of other deals. A couple of things, forget about this lady for a second. I could do a whole personality breakdown of this person. But the main thing I want you guys to look at is that agents trying to sell a turd will wrap it in a bow called amenities. And the bow is like, man, you should see, it has windows. Like, they start going off about everything, right? And it's like the area, the core, the playground, the this, the that. I don't live there though. It's too far away. But man, this place is paradise on earth. I was like, nobody has ever described Texas as paradise on earth. But, okay, maybe some people have. Texas is pretty cool. I like Texas. Okay, so a lot of lessons there. That was a good one. She's a good relationship. Not a deal, but again, remember when we're calling agents who have active listings, we're not trying to get the deal, we're trying to get the relationship, right? And when you build that rapport and you become friends with people, it's a full-fledged business all in that one person. There's so many things to follow up on this. One, you do follow up on that house. Right? You put that in your Google spreadsheet or your Google Calendar if you don't want to have a CRM. I suggest new people don't spend money on a CRM. It'll eat you alive. You'll spend more time in your CRM than you will actually doing calls and building relationships. So the best thing is a Google spreadsheet or like a Google Calendar. And you don't spend money, which is nice. So the thing I would do is just follow up with her on that specific house like 30 days out. Hey, did you guys end up selling that house? Cool. And then that's an excuse to say, what else do you have? Right? Now, she's going to send houses to you. Let's say that I don't want to buy in Texas. Could I just find somebody in the Texas community? I mean, Myron's in the Texas community, and I sell deals to them. He sells deals to me, right? There's a lot of people. Angie, you know any of our sub-2 community members in Texas?
Oh, yeah.
How many would you say? 50?
50?
That's it?
Maybe 100?
Okay, that sounds more like an Angie answer right there. 100.
Yeah.
I like that.